It's been about a year since I've worn this onesie, and I'm also 10 pounds heavier than I was since the last time I wore it. And I can definitely tell when I put it on, I was like, damn, this thing's tight. I can barely get it up over these things, these freaking head knockers. And you can also very much so tell from the front, and it's a little bit embarrassing, and I keep on having to pluck it out because I keep getting veggies. One time someone commented that the front seam just makes your look snatched. But I don't want mine to look snatched. I want mine to look, if anything, ambiguous, because right now you can tell exactly what it looks like. And what I want you to do is be like, I wonder what it looks like, and then pay the entrance fee to see it. So don't look, you know where to go to look. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everybody!